morning, guys. Welcome back to another video on the channel. But this video is gonna be a little bit of a difference. It's gonna be the same but different at the same time. I'm starting a series on here and it's gonna be called The Daily Occurrence. So welcome to episode 1 of The Daily Occurrence. I wanted to be somewhat different because, you know, people got the visual diaries, they have daily chronicles, and I wanted to be a little bit more different. So I decided on Daily Occurrence. So right now is about 4 in the morning and I just finished getting ready. I'm going to the outlets with my friend. She wants to go Black Friday shopping. So she decided, do you want to go with me? And I'm like, yeah, sure. I'm honestly not sure if I'm gonna buy something, but we will see. I'm actually very excited to see her just because I haven't seen her in a while and I have missed her. And so you guys are gonna see her in this video. So right now we're waiting for her to come pick us up, but I'm so excited to take you along my day and the daily occurrences that happen in it. At the outlets right now.
Yep.
It's early in the morning. She got me over here.
Yep.
At this time, but there's
it is 5:27.
Yes, and there's like already a whole bunch of people here, and it's just like I don't know si voy a comprar algo or if not, but let's see. Budget is $60, no more than that. Hi guys, it's like let's see,
6:33.
An hour later since we last filmed. We've been to so many different stores, long ass lines. I was gonna get something but I decided not to. She got something for her man.
You better be grateful for this.
You better be. And so right
We're
now
about to check some Zambos after this.
Oh yes, I want some Uggs. Honestly I want to buy something but I'm not sure what. Like I'm waiting on it. Like,
yes. Le mando una foto.
So right now estamos arrepentidas. I haven't slept a wink. I am tired. I came here because I love my friend so much that I needed to come here and no compré nada, but it's okay. We're going to other stores. I'll find something there.
Algo para viendo los carteles porque son baratos.
Probably. And then we wanted to go eat at Chili's. It doesn't open until 11. Any restaurant doesn't open till 11. So look at us here. We're so done.
Bro, we're done. ¿Dónde está la Nike?
Girl,
¿Está allá?
let's start walking.
Bro, I like your jeans.
Thank you. Yo no sé dónde los compré, se me olvidó. We're in my favorite store ever, Marshall's. They have a lot of good stuff here. Don't play. I have a lot of good stuff. Like you can't tell me they do not have good stuff. Oh, the jewelry here is always cute. But it depends, honestly.
It does depend.
It depends. You can just get like anything. Those are cute. I love. Look at this thing I found. A charm bracelet. necklace. I love this. I've been wanting something like this for a while. $14.99, but I told myself I was not gonna get nothing. And then look at this. You can't tell me that's cute. Look. Ah, qué linda. Hi guys. So it's like a few minutes, hour later, and I want to give you a haul. Well, we're gonna give you a haul of everything we got at the stores. So I'll go first since I'm the owner. First I got this pink sweatshirt because I'm always cold, but they didn't have a bigger size, so she couldn't get it. This is kind of a little bit too short for me, so I don't like it.
But we're gonna go to another 5 and Below.
Yeah, on our way home. That's close to us. So then I got this My Melody mini snow globe. I'm trying to get the shelf in my room. Y le voy a poner esto. Después, Benadryl para dormir, because as soon as I get home, voy a dormir. Then I got this little thing for my mom. It's for my mom. So I'm not gonna open it. She gets to open it herself.
No, yo compré un par de cositas. No les voy a enseñar todo, but
she got a whole bunch of stuff.
So I bought like toothpicks. This is for my Secret Santa. I got toothpicks. I got a first aid kit. I got these for my aunts. I got some bows for my aunt and some pants for my aunt.
Cut it out.
So I got a couple of stuff in that bag. Next, I got this like hoodie thing for my boyfriend because it's his birthday and I want to get him for that. I want to get him.
Excuse me.
Also got a little piercing
for her ear. Oh, and she got a pair of shoes, so we're gonna be matching.
Yes. I also got this little stuff for my Secret Santa. I also got some shoes. Ow, I just got my face. I got some sambas.
Yay! We're gonna be
Show her
matching.
them.
Look at mine.
Matching.
We gotta go out one day and then we'll match.
Okay,
and then she bought some gift.
Yes, I got some
gift
bags from Marshalls and a birthday
gift
for a friend. And that's it. That's my haul. I spent over
$200.
Yeah. Damn.
Over $200.
This cute little Care Bear.
That mug is cute.
So cute. And I got this shirt for my sister. Oh, for her little sister.
That's cute. I like that.
I love.
We got.
Yep.
For the haul.
That's everything. Bye.
Bye. I don't know if you guys can hear me. We're at Chili's now. We're gonna eat, and I got the triple dipper for the very first time. And I'm trying to try it on camera. I'm most excited for the mozzarella sticks. Bro, I said no onions. Me cayó una cebolla a mi teléfono. Thank you. I feel like it's alright. Ain't nothing special. It's a mukbang channel. Is that? Hey guys, so it's much time later. Last time you seen me, I was at Chili's eating. That was not good at all. I did not enjoy that triple dipper. I enjoy that food. Like, it did not taste good. Like, I didn't like it at all. Like, I honestly don't recommend the triple dipper. I don't know if it was like the Chili's I went to or whatever, but I hated it. It was not good at all. so I don't recommend. But I'm at home finally, and I'm ready to go to bed. I'm so tired. I haven't slept a wink. I'm ready just to go to sleep. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. Honestly, I thought my parents would be here by now, but they're not. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoy episode 1 of my daily occurrences, and I'll see you next time for episode 2. Bye bye.